Emukoreje birekurirwe za band kurwa mu bitongore bya government nka UPDF, Uganda Wildlife Authority, prisons hamwe na polisi kandi birekurirwa bakazibonka. Minister wa za government z'ebyanga Victoria Rusoke Businge nuwajwe chiro mjenyu mukurenganzi yihanga kandi ashabera Abazaire okutamana mu kushomesa abana babishiki hamwe no kuboreka emahanda yo kubabisaho nyensya.
So let's keep together and fight for the development of our people together and value children together, promote education together, promote all government programs and projects together.
Tuina majezi twege kukora kandi abana babwishiki nabo tubateko mu isomero nkabojo. Abana bona boys and girls n'abana bitu tubashomese.
Honorable Florence Kabuhoryo mnyishenjero kazahabwa district eje ya Kasese nagira ngo inshonga yo musinga wa Rwenzuru Charles Wizire mumbero kubo mu nkomo nikibakora kubi.
We may seem to be happy, but deep down in our hearts we are not really happy. Our king, our father, omusinga wetu, omubonabonera.
Eranga banadini tuyimira wamu n'abakyala nga tubagamba bakolere ddala emirimu emingi baweereze abakyala basobola okubeera abasumba basobola okubeera aba bishop mu ggwanga lyaffe mu Uganda.
Angela Birunjo chairperson wa Women's League zahabwa district ya Kasese washabire government okutaho uburyo bwono kufurira abantu abari mu kampe zaresirwaho kwijorana okomjera gwa Nyamwamba.
Mama nibabonabonera mu kampu nochimanya abakaze bakora bamba kuba bali mu kampu nibasomozebwa muno nisaba mama nembabazi n'omutima okuchwekere tugire mbabazi. Have mercy upon a woman.
And there is speculation that government has bought land. We are going to establish all that. All the stages will be accomplished so that our people are really transferred from the camps to settle and to work and to survive and enjoy the peace and stability in this country.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.